Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths. And as you all know that we have completed the chapter number 5, and the name of that chapter was lines and angles. So after completing that chapter, we didn't receive any kind of doubts from your side, so we are supposed to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is triangles and its properties. The triangles and its properties. First of all, we should know what is triangle. What is triangle? So we should know the proper definition as well. This is not like that, what is triangle. So we have to explain that triangle, three-sided closed figure, three-sided closed figure. Figure is called a triangle. Or we can say three-sided polygon, or polygon having three sides is called triangle. Now after that we can classify the triangles as well. Triangles can be classified on the basis of angles, and triangles can also be classified on the basis of sides. So on the basis of angles, if all the angles of a triangle are acute angle, then we can say the triangle is acute angled triangle. Acute angle means the measurement of the angle should be more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. And if one of the angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angled triangle. At the same time, if one of the angle of a triangle is obtuse angle, then the triangle is called as obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle is the angle whose measurement is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. कोई भी एक एंगल अगर 90 से बड़ा होगा और 180 से smaller होगा, then we can say that triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So this was the classification on the basis of angles. Now on the basis of sides, if all the sides of a triangle are of same size, same measurement, are equal, then we can say the triangle is equilateral triangle. At the same time, if any two sides of a triangle are equal, then we can say the triangle is isosceles triangle. And if none of the sides are equal, means all the sides, how many sides are there? Three sides. If three sides are of different measurement, then we can say the triangle is scalene triangle. So this was the classification of triangles on the basis of sides and angles. So we should draw one triangle. As you all know that triangle is a closed figure having three sides. How many sides are there? 1, and that is 2, and that is 3. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices are there, 3 sides are there, 3 angles are there, 1 angle, 2 angle and 3 angle. So in a triangle, 3 sides are there, 3 vertices are there and 3 angles are there. Now after that, if any triangle is there like this, and A, B, C, if D is the midpoint, if D is the midpoint of BC, D is the midpoint of BC, means BD is equals to DC, means BD is equals to DC. Then line joining A and D is called median, then AD is median. the line joining the vertex to the midpoint of other side of the triangle. Vertex is A and the midpoint of the other side is BC, midpoint is D. The line joining A to D, that is AD, will be median. So this is the median. There can be, how many medians can be there? 1, 2, 3 medians can be there, because 3 sides are there. So we can draw the line from the vertex to the midpoint here, and vertex to the midpoint here, and vertex to the midpoint here. So there can be 3 medians. At the same time, if any triangle is there, A, B, C, angle B is there, so any line B, D, which divides the angle B into 2 equal parts. This angle ABC is divided by BD into 2 equal parts. Then BD is angle bisector here. Angle bisector. Angle by means 2, sector means parts. Angle को 2 parts में divide, which the line which divides the angle into 2 equal parts is known as angle bisector. So here BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. At the same time, the angle bisector of this C will be this. So this angle is also divided into 2 parts. So suppose CE is the angle bisector of angle ACB. At the same time, we can say AF is the angle bisector of angle BAC. So again we are supposed to recap. The triangle consists 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles, and there can be 3 medians, there can be 3 angle bisectors. At the same time, one more term is there, that is altitude. What is altitude? I have taken 2 triangles ABC and PQR. Some difference is there. Both are the triangles because both are having the 3 sides, but in this triangle all the angles are acute angle. Acute. So this is acute angle triangle, acute angled triangle. Whereas in this triangle, this angle is obtuse, more than 90 degrees. So if one of the angle of a triangle is obtuse angle, then the triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. So now if you are supposed to draw the altitude, altitude means we have to draw the perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. Perpendicular means the 90 degree angle. So here AD is perpendicular to BC. So we can say that AD is altitude. AD is altitude. So here if we draw the altitudes, all the altitudes will be in the interior of the triangle in case of acute angled triangle. So here if we draw the altitude from here, that will be inside. If we draw the altitude from here, that can be inside. But if we are supposed to draw the altitude from P to QR, means like this, then we are supposed to produce that forward. Then So in obtuse angle triangle, the altitude can be in the exterior of the triangle, but in acute angle triangle, the altitudes will be in the interior of the triangle. These things we are supposed to keep in mind before starting the exercise. I hope that you have understood, and I advise you to go through the chapter before starting the chapter, because before starting the chapter we should know all the properties of the triangle. After that only we can proceed the exercise. So you are supposed to keep in mind whatever we have discussed today in this video, and in the next video we will start the exercise, that is exercise 6.1. So before starting exercise 6.1 you should be mentally prepare. Mentally prepare means you should know the properties of the triangles, and afterwards only we can proceed the exercise. Thank you very much.